again you join. A warm welcome, ma'am. Like in DEI, like you are the part of it now. So finally,
Finally,
so
I'm here.
guys, like again we have a best teacher, best aviation teacher with us, and like we have that opportunity to to learn some many things from her.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
So
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, Rasmi, ma'am.
Good morning.
And ma'am,
Good
your
morning,
warm
ma'am.
welcome in our class.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. That's nice. Students are welcoming teacher. That's very nice.
Yeah, ma'am. Because now you are part of our DI family.
Yeah. So, shall we start the class?
yeah,
Yes,
sure,
ma'am.
ma'am. Students are waiting for you for so long, and they all are very excited.
Okay. I can see 13 of them have joined.
Not 13, ma'am, because one is you, one is me, and Himanshu sir is here, and the second person is also here. The fourth, we are here, and rest of the student.
Okay. So we have Sukhvinder Kaur, Shivani Singh, Sheetal Bisht, Paras Pardyal, and Nikita Dangwal, Neha Pandey, Kamal Melkani. So these are the students, right?
Yes, yes.
So how many of you know me? Like I have already introduced myself earlier. So do you want to introduce again or you know about me very well now?
Hello, Labina, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Rasmi, ma'am, voice is so low.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear to all the students because I think you have some like network issue maybe and something. So can you just repeat your question? You're asking something.
Okay. So now am I audible loud and clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Now you are audible.
Okay. So,
Yeah, ma'am.
like I have already introduced myself before, or so you want me to introduce again? Like how many students were there at first meeting? I don't think so. You all were there, so I need to introduce again, right? Okay. Uh, Ma'am, can I hear them as well, or it is just them who can hear me? Lavina, ma'am. Lavina, ma'am, are you there?
Hello, Labina, ma'am.
Miss
Hello.
Chaya,
Y- Yes, ma'am.
so you are the student, right?
Yeah, ma'am. I am a student.
Okay, so I can just hear your voice, and everybody else, like it's the speaker is off, right? Wait, yeah, their speakers are off.
Ma'am, because ma'am, I have some network issue and ma'am, so sometime I don't listen you properly.
Okay, no issue, no problem.
But
From my end, the networks are excellent. Okay, you
yeah,
need to
ma'am.
check on your end. Okay, no problem. So, okay. So, my name is Rashmi Tiwari. I think everybody can hear me now. My name is
Yeah,
Rashmi
ma'am.
Tiwari.
Yes.
I have been part of aviation industry since 3 to 4 years, and by some reason, I have resigned from the company, and now I'm here. I
Yeah,
started
ma'am.
my career with SpiceJet airline. I think you all know about the airline. And then later I switched to Indigo Airlines. I worked for Indigo Airlines for 2 years, and recently I resigned from Indigo. So I will give you full knowledge related to aviation. I'm going to take different modules which will give you an overview of what the aviation industry looks like. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
ma'am, because we all are so excited to get information about the aviation sector.
Really nice. Even I'm so excited to give all the
Yeah,
knowledge which
ma'am.
I yes. So
Yeah, ma'am.
I think most of the girls are very excited rather than boys, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Uh,
ma'am, from so many days, I'm so excited to
okay,
taking aviation class.
very nice. I think the students who wants to be a part of aviation, who wants to be a cabin crew, or who wants to go in ground staff, I think they are very excited for this lecture.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How about boys?
Ma'am,
Paras and what are there? Kamal, are they excited too?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay. Mm, 1 second. So, I want you all to keep a pen with you and a notebook for you. Okay.
yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Everybody has a pen and a notebook.
Okay, ma'am. I have also a pen and a notebook.
Very good. So everybody has to keep a pen and a notebook with them whenever you have this aviation class.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
I will tell you to write the important notes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And then, or even I can write it on the chats and you can look there and copy down. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, okay. So we'll be talking about aviation today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll just speak very less on the about the aviation, and we'll speak more about you all. Okay, or I should say about us. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So aviation is very interesting module for you, and so we will learn more about aviation tomorrow. So today we will be talking more on the basic part of aviation and more about us. Okay. So, Chaya,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
tell me something about yourself?
Ma'am, as you know, my name is Chaya and I am from Kasipur, Uttarakhand. I have done my schooling from UK board, and ma'am, along with that, I am doing my graduation, BCom first year. Or ma'am, currently I have just recently completed my AHT diploma course from DI Hardwani. Or ma'am, I really love to traveling or interacting with new people or watch some motivational video on YouTube. And ma'am, I love to learn French or conversation with anyone like my friend.
Very,
And ma'am, yeah, and my strengths are I am sincere, self motivated, or punctual.
okay,
That's
very
all
nice.
about me.
Very nice. Very nice.
Thank
Very
you, ma'am.
excited, right?
Yeah,
Very
thank you,
excited.
ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
And who is going to introduce next? Who will take participate next? Sheetal, Kiran, or Kamal, or Neha?
Yeah, ma'am. Can I?
Yes, yes, please.
Ma'am, my name is Kamal Milkani. I am pursuing my BCom from Haldwani, and I am in my family. There are three members: my father, mother, and one me. I am most sincere in my work. I have the curiosity to learn many things and watch videos in a free time. My long-term goal is to work in a respectable position in MNC companies, And my strength is self-motivated. I always read a new challenge, ready for a new challenge. And my hobbies are playing badminton, like swimming, and etc. Thanks, ma'am. That's all about me.
So do you know swimming?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. From where did you learn?
I'm from Haldwani. Badminton and Haldwani. In badminton, I have played a state. After that, national. I have got selected. Then I have some injury, so that's why I not went for national. In swimming, I have from Haldwani.
Very nice, Kamal. Very nice. Thank you. And now who else? Let's see. Who else will introduce?
Seetal, you can introduce yourself.
It's okay. Like if Sheetal.
Okay, okay, ma'am. And Kiran Kolia. Okay, so ma'am, Seetal will introduce herself to you.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
yes. No problem, Sheetal.
Hey,
Start.
good morning, everyone. I'm Sheetal from. Yeah, friends with you. क्या बात है?
Sheetal, introduce.
Kiran, you introduce yourself first. Then I have some problem.
Sheetal, you are not audible. I think there is some network issue from your end. How about others? Are they interested too?
Ma'am, can I
Good morning,
introduce myself?
ma'am.
Good morning. Hi, Kiran. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Kiran Kholia. I am from Khatima, Uttarakhand. I have completed my schooling from CBSE Board, Uttarakhand, and currently I have completed my diploma from I have completed my diploma from DI Haldwani. I like reading books, traveling. Yes, ma'am.
You you have completed your this diploma
But
course?
currently right now our
Okay, okay.
course is completed. No, ma'am. We are summer batch students also. About my family, I have two siblings and my father is army person.
Okay.
About my hobbies, I like traveling, reading books, and cooking. That's all about me, ma'am.
Very nice. Thank you, Kiran.
Welcome, ma'am.
Next.
Hello, good morning, ma'am. My name is Priya Gupta. I am from Rudrapur, Uttarakhand. I have done my graduation from Kumaon University in 2018. Currently, I am doing AST diploma from Daffodils Education Institute, Halwani. In my family, there are 7 members, including me, my parents, and 4 siblings. I do like singing, traveling to new places, and interacting with new people. As a person, I'm optimistic and hardworking. That's all about me. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Priya. Next. Next, come on. Who is going to introduce next? Neha, Paras, please. Sukhvinder. Nobody is interested.
Ma'am, may
Yes, please, Paras.
my name is Paris Fartial. I hail from Halwani. I have a
Okay.
joint family, including my grandparents, parents, younger brother, and cousins. Uh,
Okay.
I have complete. Now I am pursuing my BCom uh, and my strength is I am a hardworking guy and dedicated toward my career. And my hobbies is I like to listen songs in my spare time, and also I do suffering on YouTube and my short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company where I should can my enhance my skills, and my long-term goal is to get in a better position. Okay, that's all about me. Thank you.
Thank you, Paras. Next, Neha, Miss Neha Pandey.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Neha.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Thank you so much, Neha.
Okay, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Neha Pandey. I am from Rudrapur. I have completed my 12th from UK board. Currently, I am pursuing AST diploma in Haldwani. Um, we are three siblings, and my hobbies are playing, singing, dancing, and traveling also. I like to interact to different peoples, and that's all.
Okay. So, what is your goal, Neha? What is your goal? What is
Ma'am,
your
ma'am, I am become a cabin crew.
you want to become a cabin crew?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Okay. Thank you so much, Neha.
Welcome, ma'am.
Next, Sukhvinder, I want you to introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
My name is Sukhinder Kaur. I am from Kashipur. There are 6 members in my family, and I have completed my 12th from GIC Barkhedi in 2018. Now, currently, I am doing aviation hospitality diploma course from DEI Halwani, and my hobbies are listening song, traveling, reading, and cooking also.
Okay. That's it. Sukhvinder, that's it. Or you want to say more? Sukhvinder, can you hear me? Okay. Sukhvinder Kaur has left. No problem. Who else is left? Shivani? I think you all should be excited to introduce yourself, right? Yes, Shivani. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shivani. Go ahead.
Hello. Are you listening, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Shivani.
My name is Shivani Rajput.
Yes.
I'm
Shivani, we can't hear you properly. No problem. Uh,
Hello.
Shivani,
Are you listening,
can't.
ma'am?
Yes, yes, Shivani. I think there is some network issue from your end. Okay, start, Shivani.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. I have to travel.
Shivani, you're not audible.
And I love to fond of keen.
It's okay, Shivani, you're not audible. You'll introduce me tomorrow, okay? No problem. Yeah,
Okay,
no problem.
ma'am.
I think we all are done with everyone. Are we?
Hello.
Yes, yes. Anisha, yes.
Yes. Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, good morning, Anisha.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Anisha Negi.
Hmm.
I am from Pauri Garhwal. I have completed my intermediate from UK board last year. Now I am pursuing aviation diploma from Daffodil Educational Institute, Haldwani. There are 6 members in my family, and I like to play outdoor game, listen to music, and traveling to new places. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, that's it.
Yes, ma'am.
But nobody is telling me their aim, which is the most important part of the introduction and for which we all are working on, right? Please tell me,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, please tell me your aim also. What do you want to be? Like, why have you joined Daffodils?
Because I want to become a cabin crew.
Okay. Anisha
Yes,
wants
ma'am.
to become a cabin crew. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice. Thank you, Anisha.
Ma'am, welcome, ma'am.
So next who is left? Nikita. I think Nikita is done. Mm, Nikita is not here. Okay. So Sukhvinder is
No,
here.
ma'am.
Sheetal.
Ma'am, Nikita Dangwal is not done.
Okay.
Her, in,
So she.
her introduction.
Okay, Nikita. So I have made a note who all are left with the introduction part. Okay. So they can introduce me tomorrow. Nikita is there. Nikita, please introduce yourself. Nikita, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, good morning, Nikita.
Ma'am, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Ma'am, shall I start?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I'm Nikita Dangwal from Ranikhet. I have currently I am pursuing graduation from Kumaon University, Nainital. Simultaneously, I am pursuing AST diploma from Daffodils Institute of Haldwani. Talking about my family consists of 5 members. My parents and my 2 siblings. My father is an army person and my mother is a housewife. My hobbies are reading novels, um, watching motivational videos, and doing adventurous things. My strength are I am a positive person, optimistic, a quick learner. That's all about me.
Thank you, Nikita. Nikita, what is your aim? Why did you join Daffodil?
Ma'am, for my personality development.
That's it. Only for your personality development.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. For spoken, for grooming.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any aim?
Ma'am, could you
Any
repeat?
aim?
Yes, ma'am. I am preparing for CDS exam. Ma'am, for that, for SSB, I want to have good communication skills
Preparing for
as well as.
CDS,
Yes, ma'am.
and you have joined
Ma'am, for
Daffodils.
SSB. Yes, ma'am, for SSB. Ma'am, personality development. Ma'am, as well as communication skills were also important there. Yes.
Thank you so much, Nikita.
Welcome, ma'am.
I think now everybody is done with the introduction part, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
We all are done.
Okay. So, okay. So everybody has a pen and a notebook, right? Everybody has a pen and a notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. We have. Yes, ma'am. We all have.
Okay. Okay. So, can somebody tell me what is aviation?
Ma'am,
What is
aviation.
aviation? Yes.
Ma'am, aviation is a grooming sector day by day, and ma'am, aviation uh, it's also conduct all the airlines activities plus ma'am all airport activities, and ma'am, aviation it's make the air transportation easy.
Very
That's
nice.
called aviation.
Very good, Chaya. I want everybody to hear each and every one. Okay. So, like Chaya has told me what is aviation, I might ask to other person that what she told us. Okay. So everybody has to hear each and every one of us, whether it is a student or it is me. Okay. Very good, Chaya. Next.
May I, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, all activities covered by the airport and airline, that is called aviation.
Good. Yeah. Next.
Thank
Anyone else? Anyone else? Sukhvinder? Kamal, Sukhvinder, Neha.
Hello. Hello.
Yes. Sheetal, please.
Hello.
Yes, Sheetal.
Ma'am, may I audible to you?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Aviation refers to flying using aircraft like an aeroplane. It also includes the activities and industry related to flight, such as air traffic control, or the biggest of many uses of aviation are in air travel and military aircraft. That's all.
Very nice. Very nice. Next. Kamal, please.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Aviation is a grooming sector in which we can.
Anything about it. I'm not asking you a particular definition about it, but whatever includes in the aviation industry, you can tell me.
Okay, ma'am. Aviation is a grooming industry in which we can, travel a long distance in a short time, and this much, ma'am. Only.
Okay. So aviation is what? Aviation is all about where you can say, see, if you Google it, aviation, you will not get a perfect definition. Okay. So, but
Okay,
what you
ma'am.
can tell,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So this is for everyone. You can tell whatever includes in the aviation industry, like aircrafts. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Aircraft is the biggest part of the aviation. Okay.
Aviation.
So how this aviation word has come, from where it has been derived.
That in what?
Anybody know this? From where this aviation word has been derived? So aviation has been derived from avis, A-V-I-S. Write it in your copy. A-V-I-S. It has been derived from A-V-I-S, which is a Latin word. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So avis means bird, right? Avis means bird.
Ma'am,
So
please
bird is an
can
aircraft,
one time.
right? Bird
Ma'am,
means
can
an
one.
aircraft.
Ma'am, please repeat. Ma'am, please one time.
Ma'am, your voice is so low. I can't hear properly.
Okay. Aviation, the word aviation has been derived from the word aviation has been derived from Latin word Latin. Word avis. Written
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
avis, meaning bird. Meaning bird.
Yes, ma'am, we have write it down.
So the aviation has all come from the aircraft. Okay, that is why it has given the name bird. So the aircraft looks like a bird, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have wings. The aircraft too has wings. Okay, it cannot fly without its wings. Like a bird cannot fly without its wings. Same, an aircraft cannot fly without its wings. Okay, so have you all seen an aircraft?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Like how? Where did you see that?
I mean, in
When you-
sky and in movies and pictures.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So, okay. So, so here in aviation we talk all about aircraft. How does an aircraft fly? How does it work? How, like, all related to aircraft. So when we say ground, airport, okay. So this ground is airport and runway, ground, airport, runway. So would it be possible to have all these without an aircraft? No, right? अगर एयरक्राफ्ट हमारे पास नहीं होता तो क्या हमारे पास रनवे होता?
No.
क्या हमारे
No,
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 ma'am.
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 क्या हमारे पास एयरपोर्ट होता? नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं होता. Why do
No,
we
ma'am.
have these things? Just because of the
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am,
aircraft.
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 Yeah, aircraft.
एयरक्राफ्ट की वजह से है ये सब कुछ. अगर वो नहीं होता तो ये सब कुछ नहीं होता. तो
Yes,
एविएशन
ma'am.
में एविएशन में जो है द बिगेस्ट पार्ट इज द एयरक्राफ्ट. ठीक है. विदाउट एयरक्राफ्ट वी कैनॉट हैव एयरपोर्ट, वी कैनॉट हैव रनवेज, वी कैनॉट हैव एटीसी, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, do you know what is ATC?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, air
air
traffic
traffic
control.
controller.
Ma'am, air traffic controller.
Do you know the work of ATC?
Ma'am, it's navigate to the pilot, and ma'am, when the aircraft going to be landing, and ma'am fly,
Take off and
ma'am,
landing,
and
you
take
can
off. Yeah, ma'am.
only take off and landing, or during the whole flight, during the whole
Yeah, ma'am.
flight,
Whole fly.
from the time from the
Yeah, ma'am.
time the aircraft starts its engine on
Yes, ma'am.
till the time the aircraft stops its engine, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what ATC is. Just a moment. ATC. Just write it in your copy. ATC.
Okay, ma'am.
Write its full form. Full form of ATC is Air
Ma'am,
Traffic Control.
air traffic control.
Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, who introduced first flight? Who introduced first flight? Who will tell me?
Sir John Kelly.
Who introduced?
Search.
No idea?
Ma'am, we have no idea
Sir,
how to introduce first flight.
No, no, no. I'm asking who introduced first flight?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, first flight. Ma'am, Wright brothers.
Ma'am, Wright brothers are introduced first flight.
Yes. So we say the Wright brothers
Yeah, ma'am.
introduced
Wright
first
brothers.
flight. Yes. So write it in your copy. First question: who
Yes, ma'am.
introduced
Wright
the
brothers.
first flight? Written. The answer is the Wright brothers. The spelling of Wright is WRIGHT. The WRIGHT, Wright brothers.
Yes, ma'am.
So these two are called the Wright brothers. Okay. But what is their actual name?
Wilbur and
Ma'am, Wilbur and Oliver.
Oliver. Yes, ma'am. Oliver.
Ma'am, Wilbur and Oliver.
Very nice. Right? The Wright brothers, comma.
Ma'am, Wilbur and Oliver.
Yes, WILBUR. WILBUR. I hope everybody's writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wilbur and Orville. Orville spelling is ORVILLE. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, we have noted.
Okay, very good. So we have written, one second. We have spoken about aviation. Okay. And
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
spoken about the first flight who introduced it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
When did this first flight took off? When they started the first flight? When did they introduce this first flight, all you can say? What do you think? How long back? Tell me.
Ma'am, 1806 and 1903. Pre-powered flight.
1806.
Yeah, ma'am. And 1903, pre-forward flight was introduced.
Okay, I think on December 17, 1903 is the right date.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
1903.
yes, so right on December 17th, 17. 1903.
Ma'am, 17 December.
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am.
17 December 1903. On December 17, 1903, the first flight was introduced. Okay. Who introduced? The Wright brothers?
Yes, ma'am.
And when did they introduce? On 17th December 1903. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what happened when the Wright brothers started or introduced this flight, the first flight, the entire aviation sector picked up. Okay, it was boom. Okay, so one second. Yes. So after that, different types of aircrafts came into existence. Okay, so you all know what is Boeing, Airbus. Do you know what is Boeing and Airbus?
Yes, ma'am. There are types of aircraft.
Very good. These are the types of aircraft. Okay, so write types of aircraft.
Ma'am, A320, A21, A380.
Yeah, that is a part of the what do you call it? Aircraft.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Airbus, right? Boeing and Airbus. These two are the
Yes, ma'am.
types of aircrafts, or we can also say these are the companies. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Biggest aircraft company, you can say.
Boeing and Airbus. So we have different types of Boeing aircrafts, and we have different types of Airbus aircraft. Okay, I have flown or I have worked for Boeing also, and I have worked for Airbus also. Okay, so I will give you deep knowledge on both of these aircrafts. Okay. So,
Okay, ma'am.
For now, you just have to know Boeing and Airbus. Okay. About this, about in detail, we will talk later. Okay. So today is just the basic things we'll talk about, not in detail. So just write Boeing and Airbus. Okay. Written?
Yes, ma'am. We have written all the things. You have teachers.
Okay. You have taught. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You have taught.
So somebody know what is IATA? IATA?
Ma'am, International Air Transport Association.
And there is a regulatory body of aviation.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Can somebody tell me in Hindi what is actually an IATA? How does it work? क्या है क्या IATA? We know about IATA's full form. We know only the IATA's full form. We have learned from Google that it is a regulatory body of this that. But I want to know, like, do you actually know what is IATA? How does it work? बताओ मुझे कोई.
Ma'am, IATA has controlled the all activities covered by aviation sector. Like air traffic control.
जैसे जैसे हम अपने एग्जाम्स में लिखते हैं ना अपने मन से आंसर.
Yes, ma'am.
वो पूरी कहानी लिखते हैं ना, वही वाला आइटा क्या है.
मैम आइटा ना मैम आईटा 83% एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल करता है, ऑल द एयरक्राफ्ट्स एंड एयरलाइंस।
एयरलाइंस का एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल करता है
या मैम।
आईटा।
मैम
आईटा ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल करता है या एटीसी ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल करता है?
मैम एटीसी करता है, बट इट्स ऑल्सो रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज।
ओके, तो देखो आपने बोला कि इसका ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल करता है, ये तो मैं नहीं कहूंगी कि ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल करता है। ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल
मैम।
करने के लिए एटीसी है।
यस मैम।
ओके, थैंक यू छाया। और कोई बता सकता है हाउ डज आईटा वर्क्स? क्या है क्या आईटा? एक रेगुलेटरी बॉडी है, ठीक है, लेकिन काम क्या है इसका? कुछ काम तो करती होगी ना? जब हम इंटरनेशनल बात करते हैं तो इंटरनेशनल मतलब जहां जहां पे एयरपोर्ट्स है, राइट?
यस मैम।
यस मैम, यस मैम।
यस मैम।
फिर इंटरनेशनल मतलब हो गया ये। फिर आईटा से ए आता है एयर। एयर पे मतलब जितने भी एयरक्राफ्ट चलते हैं, ठीक है। इंटरनेशनली एयर में फिर है ट्रांसपोर्ट। जो ट्रांसपोर्ट होती है, अब एक चीज एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ट्रांसपोर्ट होती है, चाहे वो आप हो चाहे वो आपका सामान हो, ठीक है। तो ट्रांसपोर्ट के अंदर आएगा वी पीपल, पैसेंजर्स, ऑल्सो द थिंग्स, ठीक है। और यू कैन से मतलब सी whatever is being transported from one place to another through air, ठीक है। ये चीज होगी इंटरनेशनल एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट एसोसिएशन, जो ये सब चीज एसोसिएट हो रही है, ठीक है। सपोर्ट्स एविएशन विद ग्लोबल स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉर एयरलाइन सेफ्टी, सिक्योरिटी, एफिशिएंसी एंड सस्टेनेबिलिटी, ठीक है। देखो जैसे बोइंग है, जैसे एयरबस है, तो एयरबस जो है वो सिर्फ एयरबस के एयरक्राफ्ट्स के लिए है। बोइंग जो है, बोइंग के रूल्स जो हैं वो सिर्फ बोइंग के एयरक्राफ्ट्स के लिए हैं, ठीक है। जैसे
यस मैम।
इंडिया है, कोई इंडियन रूल है तो वो इंडिया के अंदर ही फॉलो होगा, ठीक है। और अगर कोई इंटरनेशनल रूल है तो वो सब जगह फॉलो होगा। तो ये जो है आईटा जो है वो इंटरनेशनल रूल्स बनाती है, ठीक है। क्या करती है? इंटरनेशनल सारे रूल्स बनाती है और रेगुलेट करती है, ठीक है, जो भी चीज ट्रांसपोर्ट हो रही है थ्रू एयर, ठीक है। उसके लिए इसके सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशंस सब सेम है, ओके, ठीक है।
यस मैम। यस मैम।
जैसे कोई रूल बनाया है कि जैसे से रूल बनाया कि एक एयरक्राफ्ट में मिनिमम, कम से कम मिनिमम देयर वुड बी 4 क्रू मेंबर्स और 4 कैबिन क्रू, ठीक है। मिनिमम 4 कैबिन क्रू। अगर आईटा ने बोला है कि इसके अंदर 4 कैबिन क्रू होंगे, क्या आईटा ये नहीं बोलता है फिलहाल, लेकिन मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ, ठीक है। अगर बोलता है कि एक एयरक्राफ्ट में 4 कैबिन क्रू इज मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट, ठीक है। तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि इंटरनेशनली जितने भी एयरक्राफ्ट्स हैं, जितने भी प्लेन्स हैं, उनके अंदर मिनिमम 4 क्रू होना चाहिए, ठीक है। ओके,
यस मैम। या मैम, वी आर गेटिंग।
पढ़ेंगे कि आगे आईटा के अंदर वो क्या क्या चीजें आती है, व्हाट ऑल कम्स अंडर आईटा व्हिच इट रेगुलेट्स इट, ठीक है। जो उसको रेगुलेट करता है, क्या क्या चीज आती है, वी विल टॉक अबाउट दिस लेटर, बट फॉर नाउ जस्ट कीप इट इन योर माइंड दैट आईटा क्या करता है पूरे इट इज व्हाट, इट इज द इंटरनेशनल बॉडी, इंटरनेशनल एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट एसोसिएशन। जितना भी एयर के थ्रू जितना भी ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है उसको ये दिस लुक्स आफ्टर इट, ओके। Now, ITA, write the full form of ITA. The International Air Transport Association. Everybody is writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, right, please. The International Air Transport Association which supports are you writing which supports aviation with
Ma'am, aviation
global
with
global standards. ग्लोबल स्टैंडर्ड्स मतलब इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स जो एक एयरक्राफ्ट के लिए वो जो इंडिया के एयरक्राफ्ट के लिए है वो यूएस के भी एयरक्राफ्ट के लिए होगा ठीक है विद ग्लोबल स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉर एयरलाइन फॉर एयरलाइन सेफ्टी अब देखो अब बता रहे हैं कि किस चीज के लिए सेफ्टी सारे एयरक्राफ्ट्स की सेफ्टी को रेगुलेट सेफ्टी कॉमा सिक्योरिटी कॉमा efficiency comma efficiency EFFICIENCY efficiency
ma'am, efficiency it means hello.
Yes.
Hello. Ma'am, efficiency it means
efficiency means efficient.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है
जरूरत मत
and sustainability. For now, just write this. I will explain you. Don't worry. I will explain you each and every word. Okay.
Ma'am, we have noted.
So ITA written, okay. ITA, you have written the full form of
Yes, ma'am.
ITA, written its definition. Now, where is the headquarter of ITA?
Ma'am, Havana, Cuba.
Really?
Ma'am, Havana, Cuba.
No. It's in Canada.
Yeah, ma'am, in Canada, in Havana, Cuba.
In Montreal, Canada.
Yeah,
It's
ma'am.
in Montreal.
Okay, ma'am.
So write down. Below that, write headquarter. Headquarter Montreal, MONTREAL. Where is this Montreal? It is in Canada. Okay. Written?
Yes, ma'am, we have written.
Okay. When was it founded? This ITA was founded on? ITA was founded on 19 April.
19 April
19 April 1945.
Very good. Write it then.
Ma'am, 19 April.
1945.
Okay, ma'am.
Written?
Yes, ma'am, we have written.
Yes. So, Chaya, you were saying Havana, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, this Havana, the place Havana, it is not the headquarter. It is where this ITA was founded.
Okay, ma'am. Found it.
This ITA was founded in Havana, but its headquarters is in,
Ma'am, Montreal, Canada. Yeah, ma'am.
right? Founded, you have written founded on 19 April 1945 in
Yes, ma'am.
Cuba, Havana.
In
Sorry,
Cuba,
Havana.
Havana. Yes, ma'am.
Havana.
Yeah, ma'am. And ma'am, thanks for correcting me.
I'm always there. No problem. I'm there to
Okay,
correct.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Havana, Cuba. Okay.
Ma'am, I have written it down.
Okay. Everybody has written.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Who is the CEO of ITA, or who is the Director General of ITA? Right? DG and CEO. DG is Director General. Okay. And CEO is Chief Executive Officer. DG and CEO. Right? Alexander, AL EX ANDRE. ALEXANDRE space DE space Juniac. JUNIAC. I will repeat again. Alexander ALEXANDRE space DE space JUNIAC. Written?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, and Alexander Unique born in 1962.
Alexa, you don't have to write so much.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but ma'am, I'm telling only.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
If you want to write, you can write.
Okay, ma'am.
So, yeah. So we have written about ITA in detail. Where was like when did ITA was founded? By whom it was founded? Where is it headquarters? What is the definition of ITA? Okay. So tomorrow,
Yes, ma'am.
I think 12 for now. Tomorrow we are going to learn about more about ITA. I will tell you everything about ITA: safety, security, efficiency, sustainability. Okay. We will talk about this tomorrow.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
for today,
Yes, okay, ma'am.
we have to learn what is aviation. Okay, who introduced the first flight, and when was the first flight was on, and what are the names of Wright brothers,
Yes, ma'am.
about ITA. Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
So
about
tomorrow
Yes,
we
ma'am.
ITA.
will talk about ITA,
Yeah, ma'am.
and we'll talk tomorrow about the history of aviation. Okay, and then we will talk about emergency safety service, and so we have a lot of things to learn in aviation. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
if you have any queries, any question to ask, you can WhatsApp me anytime. Any doubts?
Okay, ma'am.
You can
Sorry,
Okay, ma'am.
sorry to interrupt you all. Sorry to interrupt you all, but I have news for the student.
okay. Yes, Lavina ma'am.
Student, actually, I want to there is some rules and regulation. I want to like clear all the rules and regulation to you guys. Okay, just listen to me very much carefully. We have a group on WhatsApp, on Telegram, but there's only a few students are the regular student who attend the classes. Okay, so for this who are not attending the class, we are not focusing on them. We are focusing on that student who just wanted to join the class, who just interested to attend the class, all the classes. Guys, understand me? अभी हम सिर्फ उन बच्चों पे फोकस करेंगे जो हमारी क्लासेस को अटेंड करना चाहेगा, और उसके लिए हमें क्या करना है, अब एक नया रूल और रेगुलेशन हम सिर्फ उन बच्चों के लिए करना चाहेंगे जो हमारे रेगुलर स्टूडेंट हैं। उसके लिए हम एक ग्रुप क्रिएट करेंगे व्हाट्सएप पे, और हम केवल उन्हीं बच्चों को उसमें ऐड करेंगे जो हमारे रेगुलर स्टूडेंट रहेंगे, और लिंक भी हम उसी में ही प्रोवाइड कराएंगे। ओके, अभी
Yes, ma'am.
हम जो हमारा दूसरा ग्रुप है उसमें हम कोई लिंक नहीं देने वाले हैं। कोई क्वेरीज होती है आपकी, सो यू कैन आस्क देयर, बट इन अनदर ग्रुप ओनली वी विल जस्ट प्रोवाइड द लिंक। ओके, और सेम थिंग वी विल
Okay,
डू
ma'am.
ऑन टेलीग्राम। टेलीग्राम पे भी हम सेम चीज करने वाले हैं। फॉर एविएशन, फॉर हॉस्पिटैलिटी एंड फॉर कम्युनिकेशन वी विल क्रिएट अनदर ग्रुप। The admin of the group will send all of the information which she taught in the class, she will teach in the class to you.